So here we are, spring break trip. As you can see, no longer in Miami. You really don't see me in these conditions with this huge coat on me, this like scarf, this like cheap hat I bought. We're here in the beautiful city of Montreal, in the one and only country of Canada, home to the maple syrup, to the moose, to the A's, to the nice people of the beautiful world. We're just here walking and exploring. We really don't know what to do. We just kind of came here for fun. Do you have any idea of any things we could do?
We're just gonna explore old Montreal for now. Probably eat some food, try some maple syrup.
So very Canadian activities, as you can see.
Yeah.
We're right here in this maple store. I know, very Canadian. We got this. Let's try it, like maple on a stick. Oh God! No, it's very cold. I'm scared it's making a drip, so. Oh, I gotta go. Oh wow, that was really sticky. Just so you guys could see how much snow there is, all of that is snow. It's like a pool, but instead of water, there's snow. Even though they're like the same thing, so I don't really know what I said back there. Alright guys, as you know, I never really see snow at all. So this is very special moment for me in my life. Oh yeah, look at all that snow. Woo, 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 woo. It's like so much fun, like look at it. You could do like a snowball fight and you could just go like waka! But yeah, snow's pretty cool. I really like it. And look, you don't really see it on the camera, but like whenever I talk, you kind of see like smoke come out of your mouth. It's like, it's really cool. Everybody's looking at me like, what is wrong with this kid? But I don't care. I love it. It's amazing. So what is that right in front of us?
It's a little sugar shack.
The Sugar Shack.
We have these all over Canada. We
tried getting into the Sugar Shack, but unfortunately, it is closed. That right there to my left is actually supposed to be the St. Laurence River. It's the main river that runs here through Montreal and to like the rest of Quebec. Do you know any interesting facts we could tell to the viewers about the St. Lawrence River?
No. Why would I know anything about it?
Because you're Canadian.
Yeah, but I'm not from here. Why would I know this?
So we're trying to somehow get on like that Ferris wheel right there. As you guys can tell, the snow is not, you know, kind of easing down at all. This might be getting more intense, right babe?
Yeah, I think so. It's pretty intense.
Alright, so we made it literally right next to the Ferris wheel. I still don't know if we're going to do it. It depends how much it costs. Because as you guys all know, I'm a broke college student. So it ended up being low-key kind of expensive, but you know what? You gotta live life sometimes, and I'm sorry, but it's my dad's money. But yeah, we're here. We got our own little Ferris wheel. There's like nobody else with us. So yeah, should be fun, right?
No.
Oh, that wasn't very nice, was it? What did you think of the ride?
I thought it was good. It let us ride around it 3 times, so we got our money's worth, I would say.
Now, the closest thing we got to Miami is this beautiful fire. I really don't know or didn't understand why people would stand next to a fire when it's so cold. But now that I'm doing it, I realize that it feels amazing. Now right in back of me, you see like those boats like right there. Those are the boats that Jack Sparrow used when he came to Canada. See, look at the ship. It's just like stuck in the snow. So while you came prepared with the boots, I'm basically walking with my Miami sneakers. And look how deep of a hole they make. They leave my like footprints there. So we were able to get our hot chocolate. How would you rate it so far?
I'd say it's very good.
I haven't tried it yet. Let's try it. Oh yeah, it's actually like really good. It's really creamy. Really like it. I'm glad we got this. Now here in Canada, unlike many places that I go to, I don't make friends. I actually create them. If you have no idea what I'm saying, just look at our fabulous friend we created right here. His name is Moose the Snowman. The Moose the Snowman, we made him with a lot of love, a lot of affection. It was honestly really, really a cool process, really good bonding experience. Like, I'm just gonna... What are you doing? What are you doing? No! 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 I'm just kidding with you. There's no way we had time to build that. Babe, I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty mean knocking down that snowman.
I know, but I did it for the vlog.
So here we are. It's nighttime in old Montreal. And all of a sudden, I've got a new friend. Isn't it so cool that I've like met so many snowmen, snow people? What should we name our little snowman friend?
I think we should name it after you.
Why?
Because, your friend, so, should be named in honor of you, I think.
Does it look like me?
It looks exactly like you is really what I was thinking. With your hair, the way you like swoop it up and everything. Yeah, I like it.
Right now we're walking here, as you can see, nighttime Montreal City. Now the reason a lot of people come to Montreal is because it's actually because of the drinking. Isn't that right?
Yeah, the drinking age is 18.
Yeah, so unlike most places in Canada, the drinking age is 18 here in Montreal, whereas in like other places it's like 19. And then also like in America it's like 21, so I don't know. There's like a lot of people that come here just to like, you know, get wasted, I guess. Now the reason we came to Montreal is because, you know, I like to explore, see different things. And I heard Montreal was kind of like the French speaking part of Canada. So yeah, it's really different here. I remember we were like eating dinner and the waiter was like speaking to me in French. And I had no idea what he was saying. And also like all the posters here are in French, which for me is really confusing because like I said, I only speak English, Spanish, and German, but no French at all. So although I had lots of fun, I think it's time to hit back the hotel room. By the way, we stayed in this like really cool hotel, like check it out. So yeah, this is like the nice little room that we got. I think it's cool, right? It's like much different than like, you know, your Best Western or Holiday Inn. Like it has like a really comfy taste to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for our little Montreal one-day adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed this little travel vlog I put together. I know it's not your classic like school video, but I'm on spring break, so you gotta enjoy life a little. That's all from me, and always remember, stay hydrated.